Yes, hi, my name is Driss from Charlemagne, Quebec. I'm reviewing this Autotrend's black automotive folding cargo bag today. So let's see how it works. So what I like is it's foldable, so it doesn't take place. Um, if you want to put it if it's not used, and once you unfold it, let's see. So once you unfold it, it's pretty much a good size. That's what I liked. So you have 3 compartments. Um, this is also a thing that I liked on it. The only thing that I didn't like it, you can't put heavy stuff on it. So I mean, you just can put like light items, not heavy stuff. Otherwise, you will just break down. It won't last forever. I mean, it won't last for a long time. So yes, this is it. Thanks. Yes, I recommend this Autotrend's black automotive foldable cargo bag because it's pretty much useful. And I forgot to mention in my last preview or review that you can fold it like either way, and also it has pouches, 2 pouches. And what I liked also is that it sticks as well in the carpet. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it. So if you can see, you can stick. So that's a nice feature. So yes, I would definitely recommend it. Thank you.